Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox memory dump error. So how can you fix this issue? Now first of all, check that your window is up to date, as a lot of people report that you might face this problem if your window is not up to date. So make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Windows, whatever window you are using. So make sure that you have latest version. Now the second thing that you can try is just find the Roblox player, and once you find down the Roblox player, just open the file location, just right click on it and click on open file location. Again right click, open file location one more time, and that will redirect you to Roblox player beta. And once you are reached here, just right click on it and go inside properties, and inside the compatibility, just make sure run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Select Windows 8 and run this program as an administrator as well. Click on apply and click on OK, and after that your issue will be fixed. Now let's say that you're still facing the issue, so what you can do is just go inside the search section and just write down here percentage and local app data that just created. So just make sure to go write complete percentage local app data percentage, and that will open a folder in front of you like this one. And inside this section, just write down Roblox, search here, and just right click and delete this folder. So once you delete, all your dump data or your cache of Roblox will be deleted, and you can just restart your PC or laptop one more time, and after that hopefully your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that problem.